Welcome, viewers, to another session of Leadership and Conversation. We have Mr. Prakash to talk about how he founding his business. So this is my first question to you, Prakash. What is your vision for founding your business?
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you for bringing me here. Yes,
You're welcome.
this business, we find more lot of small businesses and even the large businesses facing a challenge on how they are going to digitize themselves. And this problem has even bigger when it comes to the COVID time, when people are more relying on the technology. So the problem is almost same for most of the businesses. They wanted to digitize on a various channel. Now there are multiple channels available. Whether this is a website, there's a mobile app, there's a touch technologies, then there are AR, VR sets and all. So we come up with the idea like how we can bring them together and make it a DIY application where the business, without having a technical knowledge, adopt the business, and then they can be on the improve or enhance their digital presence. And that's the thing we are working on.
Give us some more insight about what DIY is.
So it's a DIY means do it yourself. So when it comes to like even as a non-technical user, you can come to the website, make a login, you can manage your own website, you manage your own mobile app, or manage your own digital presence which company is having. So whether it is like your portfolio, your service age, or your e-commerce application, or your inventory and all these things you can manage your own. That's what it means of the DIY.
So, what are the obstacles that you faced during your finding out the business?
So the one of the obstacle we find out is the content from the businesses, because still if you go for any small business, they are still not having a content. So even if you're making if you have a mom and pop store, you won't have the information about the product. uh, you know about the product, the businesses know in and out of their product. They are in the business for the last 20 years or 10 years, but still they won't have the photograph of the image or product, or the genuine content about that product, because on online medium, that's one of the required inventory we require. Apart from that, in the large business, we face the challenge of going the entry within the, because there are a lot of politics going on there. You have to always go through the various hierarchy, and that's the biggest challenge we face in a large segment and the small segment.
So this is the last question, Prakash. So how will you go on expanding your business?
So we are going with the various partnership where we are enrolling, or we are partnering with many small companies or like-minded people in various countries as well as within India. So we do have got the partners in US or Germany, as well as various part of India. We are helping them. We are helping each other to grow and enroll the businesses.
So thank you, Prakash, for allowing us to interview you. And I hope our viewers will get subscribed to our YouTube channel. So thank you, everyone.
It's my pleasure to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Raghu.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you.